Today's topic is how to make live streaming videos on YouTube. Hi, this is Aftab and you're watching Universal VDEF. So first of all, you need to have a YouTube channel. If you don't have one, you can create it, and then there's some setups that we are going to make on YouTube channel, and then there will be a software called OBS software. So you need to download it from the internet. You can find it on internet anywhere. So let's begin. I'm going to open my YouTube channel. Here it is opening, and yeah, this is my dashboard channel. The page is open, and now the channel is here. I find it. So what we need to do is on the right hand there's a streaming sign here. So you have to click on that, and now there is a different page here, and you have to click on Stream Now Classic. Now you can see that there's new windows opening, and in this page we are going to make a small changes, and there's a setup to make. So first of all, we will change the thumbnails. It is recommended that if you are going for any topic, it is recommended to give the thumbnails to the same, because it is good for you that the viewers can see and they can find out quickly if the thumbnails is put related to the topic. If the thumbnails is put related to the topics. Now there's a you'll have to put here some details, like you can put it here, and the stream of sense cards. This you just need to leave it default. So the basic information you have to give it here is like for example, like corona data, infections and recoveries, and some information about the COVID-19. And now in the category you can select any options, as if you are making the videos depending upon the topics. So here I am going to keep it like that's the news and politics. Right, and the next the privacy. In privacy you must choose public, as if in private there will be nobody will able to see what you're sharing the live streaming is. So you need to put on the public. Now the encoder setup. This is the main thing. This is the main this is the server URL, which is very important. That's we are going to take work on further. So this is the streaming key. We will need it later to make live streaming. So now the basic setup of this page already is completed. Now we need to go to desktop. Here you can see that I have an OBS software. So I have to install it. Next install. Now it's being installed, and finish, launch it. And this is the thumbnails. You can put any kind of thumbnails here. So you can do here yes or no whether you like it or not, depending upon your setup. Here first of all we need to come to this plus sign here and open browser, and yes, create new browser. Okay, and you can see the window here. So the URL that the live stream that you're about to play, you need to put it here, the URL of the map or whatever. You can see that my page is open here, and the map is already here with the statics and the information. So you can make changes too. You have to go to properties, and here you can find the same setups to make changes. Okay, and so here it is turned. Now we have to put a background music So come to the plus sign and media source, create new. Okay, and now you have to browse your file location. Okay, this is my file. Okay, so now the both media is already started in the browser and media source. So if you want to control the music volume of the media sources, you can control over here, or you can even control your live sound volumes. Okay, right, so here almost we have done here, and now what we need to go to setting and stream, and now choose the services YouTube and YouTube Gaming. Server will be the same as the primary YouTube and just server. Now this is what I was talking about, the stream key. Now you can find it here in the last, and you don't have to reveal it, you have to keep it hidden. So copy and paste, apply. Okay, that's done, and almost done, everything is done. So if you have got a slow connections, come to settings, and you can change it here. Output and video bitrate, you can change it over here to different bit rates to stream well to the viewers. Now it is finally done over here, and now you can start your live stream. So click on live streaming here, start live stream. Okay, and now we need to open our YouTube channel to see whether the live streaming is streaming video is playing or not. I'm opening my channel now. It is here, Universal VDAP, and now you can see here the live Corona tooltip. Live streaming has already started. Information, the statistics are being shown here on the video. Thanks for watching.